Today, we're going to build a tank using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I randomly came up with this design when I came across this 3L axle connector pin with center pinhole in my extra pieces bin, and I was just looking, I was like, this just looks like tank treads all by itself. And so I just grabbed a couple extra pieces to see what I could do, and I got a 1x2 jumper plate, and I put that center stud of the jumper plate into that center pinhole to kind of create the body of our tank. And then I got one of these one by one round plates with this kind of bar or hollow stud pin. You kind of see there, it's like hollow, like kind of like looks like the barrel of a tank, the gun barrel of a tank. And so I just put that so that the top stud, turn it around, goes into the center of my jumper plate. And here I've got a nice little mini tank. So it's just kind of a little fun little design with the extra piece that I had laying around.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.